So here we have another example. We've drawn a sector of a circle where the length of our sector is 8 centimeters, giving us the radius of the circle as 8 centimeters. And the angle of the sector that we are concerned about, the part of the circle that we're concerned about, is 100 degrees. So if we're going to work out the outer edge here of our sector, we would first have to work out the perimeter of the whole circle. Whole circle stands for WC, whole circle. The perimeter of the whole circle is pi times the diameter. When we know that we're assuming pi is 3 here, making it simple for ourselves. Pi is 3, diameter is 2 times the radius, so 2 times 8, giving us 3 times 16. 3 sixes are 18, 1 left over, 3 ones are 3, plus 1 is 4, giving us 48 centimeters. So the perimeter of the whole circle is 48 centimeters. The perimeter of our sector, because we've only got a fraction of a circle, is 100 degrees is our sector, divided by 360 is what the whole sector would have, times 48. And then we can just work that out. So we get 480 divided by 36. We could simplify this to, we can see quite easily that both top and bottom divide by 4. So let's do that. So 480 would be 120 divided by, after dividing it by 4, and 36 divided by 4 would be 9. So we'd have 120 over 9. 9 goes into 12 one time, 3 left over. 9 goes into 30 3 times, 27, and 3 left over. So we're going to get 3 left over, sorry. So we're going to get 13.3 recurring centimeters. That is just of the arc, remember. So if we want the perimeter of the whole of it, we then have to add the sides, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Okay. Then if we want the area, well, the area of the whole circle would be pi r squared, which would be pi times 8, which would be 64 pi, or 64 times 3. The area of our sector of the circle, by the same mechanism, would be 100 parts out of 360 of 64 pi. And then we can just simplify that. Either work it out, if you're in a test and you had to use pi as 3.14, you'd probably have a calculator to calculate that out. Okay? So that's how we calculate the perimeters and the areas of sectors of circles. Same as for doing a whole circle, and then just take the number of degrees of your angle divided by 360, what the whole circle would be. So it's really not very complicated. Super. That's how we do those.